Part 7, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. An honest mistake. Hindi, Anjane mein ki gayi galti. Explanation, a mistake made without bad intention. Example, forgetting the date was an honest mistake. 2. An itchy palm. Hindi, rishwat lene ki ichha. Explanation, wanting money, often in the form of a bribe. Example, the officer had an itchy palm during the inspection. 3. An uphill task. Hindi, bahut katin kam. Explanation, something very hard to do. Example, completing the syllabus in 1 week is an uphill task. 4. Argy-bargy. Hindi, choti moti behas ya chegara. Explanation, a noisy or silly argument. Example, the students had an argy-bargy over the last seat. 5. Ask for the moon. Bahut zyada ya asambhav mang rakhna. Explanation, want something impossible or unrealistic. Example, expecting perfect results without studying is like asking for the moon. 6. At the heels of Hindi, turant baad. Explanation, happening directly after something. Example, the holiday came at the heels of the exams. 7. At cross purposes. Hindi, alag-alag samajh ke karan galtafehmi. Explanation, when two people misunderstand each other. Example, they were talking at cross purposes during the meeting. 8. At death's door. Hindi, maut ke kareeb. Explanation, very sick or close to dying. Example, the old man was at death's door last year. 9. At first light. Hindi, subah sabse pehle. Explanation, early in the morning at sunrise. The team started their journey at first light. 10. At sea. Hindi, ulajhan mein hona. Explanation, confused or unsure about what to do. Example, I was at sea when the teacher asked difficult questions. If